Hey, my little birds. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get the Google Play Store on your iPhone. So this actually works, guys. So let me just show you. As you can see, we have the Play Store right here. So I'm going to open this up. And as you can see, this is the real Play Store. Bang, bang, bang. All the favorite apps and games are here. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So let's get into the tutorial. So it's really easy, actually. Just go to weekmo.com. And on this site, guys, you just want to type in Play Store and go ahead and press install. Now before it downloads, it's going to be a verification, so this is the last step to get it. You just need to download 2 apps and follow instructions. They're 100% free from official app stores, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, so it shouldn't take that long, guys, but yes, you can now install Google Play Store on iPhone using this method, so it is super crazy. So let's just give it a second here for this to go ahead and load up. As you can see, so yeah, I'm just going to give it a moment to finish downloading, and then we should be all good to go. So as you can see, guys, it's going to say missing files, so you just want to download 2 of these apps. So it doesn't have to be the same as me, but like Family Island says reach level 11, then we got like, I don't know, Evertales like down and run for 30 seconds. So just do 2 of them, guys, then you're going to have the Play Store on iOS. So that is so very nice for many people who don't have an Android phone, but they want to use the Play Store. Now you can get it on your iPhone, guys. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to have Play Store on your iPhone, guys. This is super cool. We got all the games literally that are available for you, so you can actually do this. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is fully working, guys, and it is really very interesting that they even have it, but I was able to download it, so I thought I would share it with you guys. So I'm going to see you in another video, and peace out.